up with it, man? It's your boy Glory Customs, and we back at it with another banger. If you clicked on this video, you already know you're getting the top tips and tricks when starting a business, man. Part 3. I'm hitting y'all with the part 3. Stop playing with me, man. I don't want to make this intro too long. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. We're going to start with tip number 7. You need to invest into your business, man. Invest into yourself. Like I said in previous videos, nobody knows who you are, so you got to put yourself out there. A quick and easy way is paying for promotions. Now, I know, sometimes people get scammed, but you got to go with the right people. That be on y'all. Now, me personally, I'm not going to pay $100 to be on somebody's story for 24 hours. I understand that. Go with the cheap ones, man. Some people out here doing $25 for their story, you know what I'm saying? $50 even, I'll do $50. But $100 and up, I'm not doing that. You heard it from here, man. Invest in your business. It'll matter in the long run. People do promos on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You just gotta find them, you know what I'm saying? Tip number 8. You need to connect with other shoe designers, man, and get those tips. Yeah, I know when you hit up them big people, they're not gonna answer, or they gonna tell you no. But somebody gonna say yeah, and they're gonna give you the sauce, man. And once that person give you the sauce, ask that person to be your mentor. It don't cost nothing. Let me take that back. Some shoe designers do have classes and stuff that you can take. I also do that. That's another way of investing into yourself, learning like that. But if you don't want to go that route, I would hit up shoe designers, ask them can they be your mentor, and just go from there, man. I have a mentor. She's great. I love her. She helps me with everything. She helped me with everything in a book. Not even just shoes, life problems, everything. You probably heard of her before. She goes by Straight Kicks. Check her out on Instagram, Facebook. Hit her up, man. She got dope custom. Last but not least, we got tip number 9. Don't let a 9 to 5 hold you back. Those little 8 to 10 hours you working, bro, you could be building up your portfolio. You gotta let the job go and focus on your passion. Now, I know it's gonna be hard at first, but look, when you get there, you're gonna be there. But there are people out there that own a business and work. So I'm not saying don't go homeless because you want to focus on your passion. But, okay, say you work in a job. At least use that job to benefit your business. Like buying all the best equipment, promotions, investing in yourself. Then leave. You'll have everything you need. Why not? You heard it here, man. Tips and tricks. You heard it here, man. Tips and tricks when you start your business, part 3. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Go watch my previous videos for the tips and tricks. We out.